Hello there. If you're new to my page, my name is Emily and I'm the owner and artist at Weathered Hearts Designs. Today I'm going to be taking you through a quick tutorial on how I fix a side rail for a dresser drawer that has broken. Whenever I slide the drawer in and out, one side falls because the track is broken. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to repair it very easily and on a budget. Forgive me for the awkward angle here, but I kind of want to show you close up. This is the track that I'm talking about. It has worn down and it actually cracked and split apart. So instead of having a flat area where the drawer can slide on, it is now missing here. This is the piece below it. I'm going to take this 1 inch by 1/4 inch scrap of oak trim. I'm going to mark it and make a cut. Next, I'm going to take a small chisel and a hammer, and I'm going to chip away at what's left of the track. Here I have wood glue, and I also have 3 extra scrap cuts. I am going to glue them and clamp them, and this is going to add extra support to the new track. Now that it has dried, I'm going to run a line of glue along the bottom half of the track. I'm going to line up and place the new track and then use clamps to hold it as it dries. I've allowed it to dry for about an hour, so I'm going to remove my clamps and take my finished nailer with 5/8 nails, and I'm going to reinforce my new track. Moment of truth, I'm going to slide the drawer back in and make sure that everything is sound. Perfect, it worked out just as I had hoped. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe for more just like it.